If you want to start streaming to Twitch directly from your PS5 without the need of a capture card, this video is for you. And if you're new here, welcome to the Streamer Academy, where I teach you how to start, create, and grow your stream. So go ahead and visit thestreameracademy.com for tons of resources to help you grow. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is on your PlayStation, we're going to come to settings. Once you're here, you're going to select user and accounts. You're going to go ahead and go down to where it says linked services. We'll select Twitch, and this is going to prompt us to get our Twitch account linked. Now, if you don't have a Twitch account set up yet, I'll put a link in the description of this video on how to go ahead and get one created. So we'll select link. It's going to pop up an option to go ahead and scan the QR code you see on the screen or go to the website that's there on your computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my phone, I'm going to open up my camera, and I'm going to go ahead and scan that QR code. I'm going to select that. It's going to walk me through and ask me to activate my device and enter the code that I see on my PlayStation. So the code that I see there is going to be TXFPYFYK, and then I'm going to select activate on my phone. It's then going to prompt you to go ahead and get logged in to your Twitch account. So go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts right now to go ahead and get logged in. And once you gone ahead and gotten logged in, you're going to give authorization. You're going to see on your PlayStation, it's going to say you've now linked your Twitch account. It should showcase your Twitch name, and then we'll select done. We'll go back here and go back to our home screen. And now the first thing we need to do before you can go live over to Twitch is that we need to select a game. You cannot live stream from the PlayStation dashboard. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up Marvel Rivals as the game that I'm going to go ahead and stream. Once you have your game open, you're going to hit the create button on your controller. You're going to hold that. It's going to open up the bottom menu here, and we're going to scroll down to where it says broadcast. Now you're going to select that. Now out of the gate right now, I have it as YouTube. You may not have it linked. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the little three dots, change service, and I'm going to select Twitch. You can only go to one platform at a time on directly from your PlayStation. And once we've done that, we can come to these little dots, and we want to go to broadcast options. This is where we want to adjust some of the settings to make sure that our stream on Twitch looks professional. So the first thing is, if you have a camera connected over to your PlayStation, you can go ahead and display that camera here. I typically like to have it off simply because right now, the way that the PlayStation shows the camera, it's on the actual monitor, meaning it blocks your gameplay. However, I'll put a video in the description below on the PS5 camera to see if it's something you're interested in. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave that on. Display chat as well. You can go ahead and have your Twitch chat pop up directly on your monitor, so you can again engage with your audience, or you can have Twitch open on your phone and you'll be able to monitor chat that way as well. Display activity, I typically have this off. Again, it just shows the amount of viewers you have, and it's just another element that's going to block the actual screen. Overlay position, I put it at the bottom right. Include party audio. This is super important. If you want the people that you're playing the game with to be able to be heard and they're inside of a PS5 party audio with you, then you want to make sure that they also check the button that says share audio, so that way the stream hears you and hears them as well. Then for the video quality, I encourage you to go ahead and select 1920 by 1080, 60 frames per second to try to get the best quality possible. Once you have that there, you're then going to come to your title and you're going to input the title that you want to be able to utilize. Again, this is super important. I want you to start thinking about a title that's going to be interesting for people to be able to watch. Like I have here, Bronze to Grandmaster solo queue in one stream, right? That's kind of interesting. It's like, wow, is that possible? Can you do it? And so again, you want to have something that's going to make people want to say, oh, I want to click on that stream. And then once you're ready, you can simply go ahead and hit go live. And then as long as you have your microphone connected to your controller, or if you have a USB microphone to your PlayStation, your stream is going to be able to hear you. Then you'll simply select go live. And once you've done that, you'll pop up on Twitch. You'll start to see your chat. You'll start to see the engagement. And again, you can read chat here or on your screen. And then once you're done, you simply come back to the same section here. And the option, instead of saying go live, it's going to say end broadcast. Now, if you want to be able to have a professional looking stream and you want to have overlays and graphics and alerts, but you don't want to use OBS or Streamlabs or have a capture card, I encourage you to watch this video right here where I show you how to add overlays to your console streams utilizing a tool called Livestream. Click that video right there. I'll see you guys in the next one.